Hey guys, hope you're right. Today was a hectic day of trading. I started the day pretty good, and let me tell you about it. I won the first trade. Afterwards, I lost two $400 trades. I went up and down for a bit. My risk management was all over the place. And towards the middle part of the day, I started winning a bit more, made back my losses, and was in a pretty good spot all through all. And then during the latter part of the day, I started fumbling trades and I took some bad losses. But I continued trading, and yeah, I took another couple of trades, and I ended the day positively. I didn't record all of my trades. I'll let you know which of them I recorded and which I didn't. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. The first trade is a live commentary, and afterward I'll commentate in the edit. So we have here the previous day price action, and you can see that we closed inside previous day value and above the previous day equilibrium all throughout the after hour session. And right now we're starting to one time frame on the 30-minute chart and also on the 5-minute chart. You see here since London Open, we formed this pivot here for a low on the 5-minute. And then we started moving higher. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles that are one time framing and respecting the previous bar low. So I decided to enter here on the 1-minute chart on the ATMA with the stop below the prior 5-minute bar low and the take profit at the overnight high, the current overnight high. We saw that also the volume was picking up while we were going higher and higher. And right now the volume is slowing down and delta is also kind of slowing down. But yeah, my take profit was hit. So this is a first trade of the day, first win of the day. This is my second trade of the day. It's during New York Open. We saw a pretty strong move up and we saw delta start to curl down, and yeah, this is a bad entry here. Why? Because it's way too aggressive on the ATMA. It's assuming a strong trend, but I was keen on seeing the previous day point of control hit, but I think we just front ran it, and you saw the reaction here on the ATMA. We didn't see any reaction. I just got stopped out for $400, and yeah, then again I entered on the 24 EMA, kind of the same trade in the same area in the chart. After this impulsive move down, I should have been way more careful here and have a way tighter stop loss. But you can see I placed my stop really far away. And yeah, I just been patient with this trade, but I shouldn't have been. I should have just not take this trade to begin with. But as you saw, the first trade was during London, and that was a calculated trade. But these trades that I took, the first couple of trades, were huge stop losses trades. So yeah, I just closed this for a loss, but nonetheless, I should have traded with a tighter stop loss during New York, and especially during the first couple of TPO sessions, the first 1 hour of New York, you should be really careful. You should only trade trades that are easy to trade, and yeah, I didn't do that. I just traded bad. So moving forward, you see that the 5-minute prior bar highs are being respected. We breached to the CVD line here, and I went with a momentum short. I wanted to compound the trade on the ATMA or New York Open if we got the chance, but yeah, I just placed my take profit at the VWAP, and yeah, the trade is sped up, so in the moment things looked a bit differently, but yeah, let's see how this trade plays out. So we're back testing the 8 and the New York Open at this point, and yeah, I should have compounded here because we just got a nice reaction from that level, and we breached through my take profit, and I made back some of my money. So now this is a long here. It's based on, I don't know what. It's basically a bad trade. I shouldn't have taken this trade, but yeah, it went into my direction a little bit and I got out. It was a FOMO trade, or I don't even know. I think it's based on the fact that we breached the CVD line and we backtested the 8 and 24 EMA, but I didn't get in on the 8 and 24 EMA, and I just got a bit higher. So that's why I was so strict with my take profit. But you can see I TP'd at the top of the move, and then we fell down. So now this is a bad trade. I took this trade on the developing POC, but it was based on the fact that we rejected from the NY VWAP, but the move already happened. As you see, I should have limited in on this entry. But yeah, I was afraid to do that, so I entered after the move happened, and yeah, price went into my direction for a bit and then started reversing, and I closed this trade for a loss. And yeah, this is one of those trades where I shouldn't have held for such a long period of time. I should have been out of this trade as soon as it started going in the opposite direction. So you can see I took a lot of bad trades, and most of my problems are holding trades that I shouldn't even be in with to begin with. So the aggressive New York Open trades, this trade, yeah, so this is based on the fact that we claimed those tier 2 levels, but yeah, we just went through them like butter. So now I entered this 2 contract position. It's kind of an initiative trade. It's based on the assumption that we're going to go lower, and we are going lower. And yeah, I just lock in 700 and I make some losses back, but not the best setups. This is a trade based on the developing value area low, and we rotated inside this developing area a few times, but now the moment I enter, I just get this big bearish candle and I get stopped for a lot. I don't even know how much the losses was, but I think it was $700. And now I enter a short here. The short is pretty bad. I don't know why I entered, but I exited break even. And I enter another short in the same area, a little bit higher. This is an ATMA trade, but as you can see, the trade is taking a while to play out, and eventually I just get stopped out. So now this is the NQ chart. We rejected from there. Actually, I just got stopped out and we went much lower. So that's a bit annoying because I didn't get stopped out. I exited manually. So now I enter after the confirmed move happened. A 3 contract position. I take partial profits and I exit the trade for I don't know, I think $600 or $700 profit. But I'm still down. I misrecorded my screen because, as you can see, this is a new format that I'm trying to record in. I am placing the 1 minute chart on the right and the 5 and the 30-minute chart on the left. And yeah, I'm just adjusting my screens, and yeah, I made back my losses, as you can see, and then some. And now I enter this 1 minute trade here. It's a long based on the pullback to the ATMA and the close above the previous day equilibrium and the 5 minute one-time framing. And I place my stop below the 5 minute low, and price starts going into my direction. And I quickly close this trade for a $80 win. But yeah, the price went much higher from here. So this was just me being afraid of losing. And at this point, I'm $360 in profit. And I take this short here based on the fact that we're rejecting from the previous day equilibrium, the EMAs. But yeah, I just wasn't patient enough to lose the CVD line, and as a result, I get stopped in this trade and I lose the 360 profit. And yeah, I'm $62 in drawdown. But yeah, here I stopped trading and I continued trading without recording my screen because I took a break and I came back and I wasn't sure if I'm going to trade. And I ended the day $146 in profit. I'll put that on screen, and yeah, I'll go add my trades in TradeZilla, and I'll catch you guys on Monday. To wrap up, not the best trading day, loads of mistakes, loads of, loads of bad trades, but I was blessed to end the day profitable. So I really need to reconsider trading during NY because I took some large losses during NY, and yeah, I need to be more strict with my stop loss because most of the times when I lose way more than I win. So today I had a win rate of 57%. I had 12 winners and 9 losers. But yeah, I was way more under than I was in profit. So the problem is that when I win $100 and something, and when I lose, I today at least I lost an average of $400 to $500. So I need to flip that around. I need to be way more strict with my stop losses and not take all of the trades that I see under the water. I took a lot of trades. I took 20 trades, so that's a lot. But guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Monday. Peace out.